welcome back to our channel. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. Ooh, it looks like I have to use my traps. Ooh, this might be fun. Alright, let's see if I can get anybody right here. Ooh, yes, let's go. Perfect, got those person. I'm not gonna get her. Let's see if this guy can make it. I can probably be able to get him. That girl ran really fast past it. Okay, let's see if I can get him. Really hope I can get him. And it looks like I probably could get him, but I don't know. Let's see. Oh, he's lucky. But maybe I'll kill him on these last two. Let's see if I can get it. He's gonna juke me and I'm not gonna get it. But I can at least try. Bum bum bala bum bum. Come on, dude, just go. Oh, darn it. I'll wait for him. I will destroy him. Let's see if I can get him. Those go crazy. Yes, bye-bye. Alright, good job, Lexi. You got through. Alright, let's see what the next event is. Ooh, some cups. Okay, remember what the coin is in. Okay. Okay, middle, back to the left. Middle left. I'm gonna choose left. That was pretty simple. Okay, let's do this. Woo-hoo. Okay, 1. Let's see if I got the correct one. Yeah, I got the right one. It was pretty simple, but at least I got it. And there we go. Got the coin. I got 10 coins. Let's go. And now we're back. And let's see the next button. The building is burning. Escape. Looks like you can't go through there. No. This way. This seems nice. And down here. Oh, nice. And, jump through this lava. And past this stairs. A window. Let me, jump out. Alright. Oh, hey, kitty. Alright, it seems like I was able to get out. I don't know about everyone else. Burger HO. Oh, HQ. Look how bad that's burning. Hope people can also get out. Yay, I survived. Alright. Now, try the walking correct path to the end. Alright. I wouldn't go straight. What if I go this way? And that, probably you have to go up. Up. And, left or right? You have to choose here. Oh, just now left. And a little too late, kitty. Straight. Not that way. And straight again. Let's go. And straight again. Oh, not straight again. I'm going to go this way. Oh, yeah. I'm going to try this way. Yep, I got that one. And I'm just going to run. Aw, darn it. Kitty. Well, at least she won. Alright, let's see what's the next event. Ooh, bananas. Double banana. Okay, next one. Ooh, hello, Baldi. Come kill me. Oh, what is my face? Oh my god. Come and get me, Baldi. Come and get me, Baldi. Oh my god. Baldi. Ah! Baldi. Baldi. Baldy, baldy, baldy. Oh my god, you just like flung me into the universe. Sheesh. Linden, the chef, is missing ingredients to bake a cake. Let's go find them. Oh, it looks like she's gonna get it, so I'll just wait over here. Oh, she fell? I guess I'll just go again. Let's see. If I can make it fast. Ooh, some milk. I'll get that for the cake. Ooh, he's making cake. Look, milk, flour, and eggs. Kitty. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Ooh, yum cake. Next button. Whoa, galaxy. It's so pretty. Whoa. I'm gonna go around here. Do make all the girls go crazy. Up, down, right down. No, I wanted that diamond. Okay, next one. What's the next event? Everyone's getting smaller. Oh, we're so tiny. Oh, you're so right, kitty. We're babies. Oh, never mind. Okay, what's the next one? Yeah, let's go trick-or-treating. This would be fun. Yeah, I think we should knock on the door. I think that a ghost would appear. Let's knock. Knock, knock. Trick or treat. A ghost. Uh-oh. Is it gonna kill us? Oh, I gotta jump over that laser. Careful. Oh, it's only us three. We. Yay, we did it. Let's go. Yay, I won the Crazy Studios Ghost Survivor Award. Oh, wait, look at my hat. Nice. Ooh, a snowball fight. I love snowball fights. Let's see if I can win. I will kill all of you. Throw. Oh my god, I'm gonna just run around, see if I can throw them. It's not seeming to get those guys. Oh, hey, kitty. I'm coming for you, kitty. Let's see if I can get one of these guys. Nope, doesn't seem like I am. Oh my god. No, kitty's gonna die. And I'll kill her myself. Okay. Let's see if I can get you. Throw. Almost killed him. Yes, I won. Make sure to thanks for watching. Have a cookie.